So chef, we are gonna jump right into rolling this dough, okay? So first, we call that in my, my silly kitchen, I call this the fairy dust. And the fairy dust is actually just all-purpose flour. And you want a little kiss of flour in all the surface that the dough is going to touch so it doesn't stick to it. And you know what? The higher you do, the more spread it gets. See, like that. Woo! That's so silly. All right, so I'm gonna give you a piece of dough. I think you have enough there, buddy. And we're gonna put on top too. So this is your ball of dough, but I like to press a little bit and make sure I have a flour all over the top. Is that how you do it?
How we do it is we kind of roll the ball in dough.
Okay.
And then we just kind of press down gently.
And then you get
the rolling.
Okay, calm body on there, okay?
All right.
Yeah, I know, it's exciting. Ooh, you know what? I forgot a little tip. I learned from our chef, our good friend Chef Eliza. She will put a little bit of flour on the rolling pin and on top. Beautiful. All right.
I remember Chef Eliza. She was a really good friend of mine.
Yeah. All right, so let's do this. So when I roll one direction, it becomes oval in that direction. So I have to turn it around and go on the other one. Ooh, beautiful. Let's get this out of the way. I think my disc of dough is ready.
My disc of dough isn't ready.
Yeah, take your time. It's very interesting when we see people that have done this a lot and they roll straight into a circle. You think, oh, that's so easy. But it's not always.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. I know. It takes practice. And you can also keep your mind open that not every pizza has to be round.
Yeah, and look, I'm even going to use that little point there.
Oh, you are?
And look, I'm going to make this into a heart.
Good. You're doing it on your own ways. I love that.